Hi, in this video I'm unboxing Rhodes VideoMic Pro MEL. So this is one unidirectional directional microphone from Rode, and I bought it for around 100 Australian dollars from Ted's Camera. You can see it here. So I got $10 discount, so it was around 100 for me. This is the receipt. Okay, and this is how the box looks. Okay, so it has got a lightning connector, and then it works with iPhone and iPad iOS devices, so we don't need any battery. And then we can connect earphone to this microphone. And some specifications here: comes with windshield and a clip to attach it to the iOS devices, and works for iPhone, iPad and iPod. Okay, without further delay, let's go and let's just unbox this one. Okay, let's start with this here. Okay, sorry. So this is the windshield. This is pretty big, bigger than the phone, I think. And this is the windshield, and a short quick start guide, and then this is what we are looking for: VideoMic MEL. Okay, from Rode. So okay, it looks like a gun, and then it has got a lightning connector here, and then this is the headphone jack where we can connect headphone or earphones, and then we can listen the audio while recording. And then if we want, we can just insert the windshield when it's too windy, to prevent the windy noise being captured. Looks good. This one doesn't look good, but this one looks pretty nice. And then this is a clip to attach it to the phone. Currently I'm recording without any microphone from my iPhone, and then I just want to show you how it's connected. So this is an iPhone here, and then it's a plug and play. We just plug it and then it's ready to be used. And then so I think it has been detected here. Okay, so we can directly go to the camera, and then we don't need to install any softwares or anything for this mic. Okay, and then if we need, so this clip is for making a form attachment to the phone, so that way it won't shake or make any noises while recording the videos. So this is how it looks. Okay. There we go. Okay, now I'll connect this microphone to my iPhone that's been recording this video, and then you can see the audio difference there. Okay, just a second here. Now I'm speaking from the Rode microphone here. You might notice a bit of audio difference than before, so the audio might be a bit better now. So I have not kept the windshield because I'm inside the room. Okay, so this is it. So let me unplug the phone, and then this is how it sounds now without the microphone being connected. Okay, thanks for watching.